Hello, my name is Mike Piper. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Video Walls and Multiviewers at RGB. I'm pleased to present the MediaWall 2900, which is part of a new family of display processors that are value-priced yet fully featured. Here's what makes the MediaWall 2900 a fully featured display processor. It's designed around an embedded parallel processing system which uses pipeline technology so that each window has its own processing channel, providing pixel-perfect performance. The MediaWall 2900 is well suited for small and medium wall applications. We also improved the system with next-gen signal processing and advanced input auto-sync capabilities. The MediaWall 2900 has 8 windows and 4 outputs. All inputs and outputs are fully HDCP compliant. The product is designed for constant operation, and you'll be pleased with the fact that it only takes a minute to boot up. Other important capabilities include an on-screen clock with NTP or Network Time Protocol support. This is used to synchronize the onboard clock with an NTP server. An on-screen cursor provides a direct method for managing window size and position on the wall. A new EDID management system makes it possible to send explicit timing information to connected graphics adapters. The processor uses less than 125 watts and delivers quiet operation. Like other RGB display processors, the MediaWall 2900 requires only a minimal amount of maintenance and has no PC operating system. Let's take a look at the basic configuration. As I mentioned earlier, there are 8 windows. Each window has a selectable DVI, RGB analog, and HDMI input. There are 4 DVI single-link outputs with edge blending support and mullion compensation. The MediaWall 2900 offers 4 array configurations: 1x2, 1x3, 1x4, and 2x2. For larger configurations, check out the MediaWall 4500 and 4200 at rgb.com. Depending on when you are viewing this presentation, there will be an optional DVI dual link output feature. This will provide 2 DVI dual link outputs which support resolutions up to 2560 by 1600 in a 1x2 array configuration, and there's overlap for edge blending. The MediaWall 2900 control interface includes Ethernet and RS-232 for connection to an application program interface, a Telnet interface, and our Web Control Panel, or WCP, which is accessed by a browser. The product is enclosed in a sturdy chassis of steel construction and is 2 rack units high. There's a front panel LCD status display with rotary selector. A world power supply auto ranges from 120 to 240 volts AC on 50 or 60 hertz. An additional power supply is available for hot swap redundant operation. I'd like to show you how easy it is to set the MediaWall 2900 up right out of the box. We've logged into the WCP and we're looking at the virtual display for the product. And this is the way you would find it when you turn the product on. To get the box up and running, we basically click on Setup and we go to the output timing and we choose an output timing that is particular to the type of display that you're operating. In this case, we're running 1366 by 768, so we'll choose that timing and we'll go ahead and load it. Once the output timing is loaded in, then we can go to the Properties menu, and we have essentially the ability to click through any of the inputs, and as we do so, we can go ahead and choose the type of input that we'd like to have operating in that particular window. So if in this case we have a DVI input, we select DVI, and we can do the same thing for the other windows that are being displayed. Once we have the input type set up, we're displaying essentially a full wall that's ready to run. We can take any of these windows and move them around and place them on the wall where we'd like, or we can take and right-click on them and have them go to a particular output. So we'll go to output 4 here, for example. So we can do this for the entire wall. It takes only a matter of moments to go ahead and set it up in a way that is quite useful, and then you can fine-tune it from there. You can also save these settings in presets at the bottom of the virtual display here that you can use to recall later. In addition to displaying up to 4 separate screens, the MediaWall 2900 supports 8 megapixel displays as well. This 4K format is delivered over 4 DVI single-link outputs and supports 3840 by 2160 and 4096 by 2160. An available option includes RGB's pioneered on-screen KVM which supports multiple computers displayed on the wall with full KVM operation. Some key applications for the MediaWall 2900 are control centers, presentation rooms, medical viewing, which include applications for 4K displays, teleconferencing, education, and security. Here are some important points to remember. The MediaWall 2900 is easy to set up and provides plug-and-play connectivity. There are 8 display windows on up to 4 screens. And probably its most important characteristic, it's not a PC, which means no PC vulnerabilities, hard drive, or operating system maintenance. And even though it's a value-priced product, it's still fully featured. Thanks for your attention. If you have any questions about the MediaWall 2900 or any RGB product, please contact your sales representative or RGB Regional Sales Manager. For complete product information and specifications, please visit us at rgb.com. Thank you.